Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Lexus RX450 Hybrid maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, middle for enter, back, and menu. Okay, now go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and go ahead and press back. Okay, now scroll right or left to go find your page, which is here at the setting. And then when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting, enter on it, scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on yes. Now go ahead and go back. You're gonna have to also reset the oil maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on that, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.